Friends, you can join me my YouTube channel, which is Safi Khan, by subscribing it, and you can search it on Safi Khan Able, and my Twitter handle is Safi Khan Magical. You can follow me on Twitter and get regular update about news and views. And this is my Facebook ID, which is Safi Khan Boss. You can also follow me here, and you can also follow me on Instagram, which is Safi Khan Boss, to see pictures and videos interestingly. And this is my YouTube channel page, and you can like and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. So do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Love you all. Stay blessed.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सबको। मोहम्मद सफीला खान की तरफ से आज जो हम टॉपिक पढ़ने जा रहे हैं इसका नाम है रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ असेसमेंट टूल्स, और ये हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट है इसका नाम है एजुकेशन असेसमेंट एंड एवेल्यूएशन, और हमारा कोर्स कोड है 8602, और हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम अल्लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी है। और ये आप इसकी बुक डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं इसकी अल्लामा इकबाल यूनिवर्सिटी की वेबसाइट से। और इसके बारे में जो मेरे ये स्लाइड्स हैं इसके साथ आप इसको पढ़ेंगे तो आपको इसमें हेल्प आउट होगी। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले इसका हम देखते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन, ये क्या होता है। इंट्रोडक्शन में पहले है जी टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस एवेल्यूएशन, फिर है मेजर मस्ट फर्स्ट रिलायबल बिफोर इट कैन बी वैलिड, अवेयर ऑफ क्वालिटीज ऑफ एन अचीवमेंट टेस्ट, फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ द टेस्ट्स। तो बुक में हमें इसके बारे में क्या पता चलता है इंट्रोडक्शन में, वो यूँ पता चलता है, assessment is an integral part of a teaching learning process which allows teachers to evaluate their students achievement during the educational course. Many teachers feel deficiency in preparing and grading examples, and most students are fearful to take them, yet tests are significant educational tool. Therefore, a tool must be reliable and valid in such a way that everyone has credibility on its result. Every classroom assessment measure must be appropriate, reliable, and valid, whether it is routine classroom achievement test, aptitude test, and performance assessment. A measure must be first reliable before it can be validated. Teachers have been designed achievement tests since decades, but before preparing test, teaching, teaching or external exam design must be aware of qualities of any achievement test. A very measure that uh, ignores the basic principle develop a test must be uh, produced such as result that must be acceptable for the student and will be measured at the actual performance. Therefore, this particular unit is mean for preparing the teacher addressing the concept of measurement of reliability, type factors affecting reliability of the test, and the as usability of the tests. आइए चलते हैं हम इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स की तरफ। वो क्या आता है, डिफाइन रिलायबिलिटी इन देयर ओन वर्ड्स, यानी कि आप रिलायबिलिटी अपने अपने लफ्ज़ों में खुद बयान करें। फिर है अप्लाई द डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ एश्योरिंग रिलायबिलिटी ऑन द टेस्ट्स। फिर आता है आइडेंटिफाई द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग रिलायबिलिटी। फिर आता है कंस्ट्रक्ट अ टेस्ट एंड चेक हाउ मच reliable it is. फिर identify measure of reading the problems in conducting the tests। ठीक है जी, आगे हम चलते हैं जी अपने मेन टॉपिक की तरफ जो कि है रिलायबिलिटी। तो हम देखते हैं रिलायबिलिटी है क्या। अब अपने बुक्स में देख सकते हैं, What does the term reliability means? Reliability means truth worth. A test score is called reliable when we have reasons for believing that the test score to be stable and objective. For example, it is the same test in given two classes and marks by different teachers. Even then it produces the similar result. It may be considered as reliable. Stability and trustworthiness depends upon the degree to which score is free of chance error. We must first build a conceptual bridge between the questions asked by the individual are score reliable and how reliable in measure significantly. This bridge is not as simple as it first appears. While the person thinks of reliable, many things may come into his mind. My friend is very reliable. My car is very reliable. My internet bill pays process is very reliable. My client performance is very reliable, and so on. The characteristics being addressed are concepts such as consistency, dependency, predictability, validity, etc. Now, note that implication reliable statement is the behavior, machine performance, data process, and more performance may sometimes not reliable. The quality is how much the score of test vary over different observations. इसके बाद स्टूडेंट्स आता है हमारा अगला पॉइंट, ये है सम डेफिनेशन ऑफ रिलायबिलिटी. उसमें वो बताता है अकॉर्डिंग टू मेरन वेब्टर डिक्शनरी रिलायबिलिटी इज extended to what experiment test measuring procedure yield the same result of pre repeating trials. फिर आता है जी अकॉर्डिंग टू होपिकन एंड एंटी 2000 में उनकी डेफिनेशन में रिलायबिलिटी इज द consistency of observation yield over repeat recording either for one subject or set of subjects. Juby 2000 defined reliability as the extent of what results are consistent over time and are according to representative of the total population under the study to refer to the reliability, and it is result of the student can be reproduced under the similar methodology. Then the result in instrument is considered to be reliable. The most general definition in reliability is the degree in which score is stable and consistent when measured at different times. Test reliable in different ways, parallel from and available from, and on which the items with the same scale internal consistency. तो ये इसके बारे में. आगे हम चलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ. ये है जी टाइप्स ऑफ रिलायबिलिटी. अब ये क्या होता है? Reliability is one of the most important elements of test quality. It has to do what consistency or reproducibility of an examined performance in the test. It not possibly the calculate reliable exactly. Instead, we have state reliability, and this is always an important attempt. Here we introduce the major reliability estimate and talk about their stability and weakness. There are 6 general classes of reliability estimate, each of which estimate reliability in different ways. They are number 1, जैसे आप अपने नंबर में अपनी स्लाइड्स पे देख सकते हैं. नंबर 1 क्या है? इंटर rate or inter observer reliability. ये क्या होता है? To assess the degree to which the different rates Observation give consistent estimate of the same phenomena. This is the two teachers mark same test and the result are similar, so it indicates the interrelates and inter-observation reliability. अगला है test retest reliability to assess the consistency of measure from one time to another when a same test is administered twice and the result both administration are similar. This consistency that test retest reliability students may remember and may be measured after the first administrative administration creates a problem of test retest reliability. अगला है parallel form reliability. To assess the consistency of the result, two tests constructed in the same way from the same content domain. Here the test design result to develop two tests of the similar kind, and often after administration the results are similar, then it will indicate the parallel from reliability. Internal consistency reliability. To assess the consistency of the result, assess across items within the test. It is correlated of the individual items for the entire test. Split half reliability. The access consistency of result comprising two half of single test. These half may be even odd item on the single test. Coder Richardson reliability. To assess the consistency of the result using all the possible split half of the test. Let's discuss each of these in turn. इसके बाद जो है अब हम चलते अपने नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ. ये है जी इंटर रेटर और इंटर ऑब्जर्वर रिलायबिलिटी. अब ये क्या होता है? वेयर we observe achievement humans, we have think about the procedure for the reliability and consistency result for the two or more than two observation are assistant to. इसके बारे में फिर बताया हुआ है. फिर से आगे हम नीचे आ जाते हैं तो टेस्ट रीटेस्ट रिलायबिलिटी. अब वो क्या होता है? टेस्ट रीटेस्ट इज statistical method used to determine test reliability. The test is performed twice in the case of questionnaires, and this would be mean giving a group of participants the same questionnaire on the two different occurrences. अच्छा, ये मतलब फिर आगे हम आ जाते हैं स्प्लिट हाफ रिलायबिलिटी. अब ये क्या होता है? स्प्लिट हाफ रिलायबिलिटी वॉज रेंडमली डिवाइडेड all items and claim measurements the same consistence of two sets. We admire the entire instrument to simple students and calculate the total scores for each random divided half. The split half reliability estimate is similar and correlated between these two total scores. अच्छा जी, इसके बाद हमारे पास आ जाता है जी, ये आता है जी पैरेलल फॉर्म रिलायबिलिटी. अब ये क्या होता है? द पैरेलल form of reliability, we have to create two different types of same consistent to mean the same learning outcome. To easiest way of accomplish this is to write a large set of questionnaires that address the same consistent and random divided into the question in two sets. और फिर ये कि for the A and B of the pretend and then switch them to the post-its. With the split half reliability, we have an instrument that we wish to use as a single measurement instrument and only develop randomly split half for purpose of estimating reliability. उसके बाद हमारे अगला पॉइंट आता है वो है जी इंटरनल कंसिस्टेंसी रिलायबिलिटी. अब ये क्या? इन इंटरनल कंसिस्टेंसी रिलायबिलिटी एस्टिमेट we use our single test. The test is administered to group of estimate on one occurrence to estimate reliability in the effect, we judge the reliability of the instrument by eliminating how well items that refer the same instrument given the similar result. We are looking at how consistent the results are for different items for the same construct within the measure. There are a wide variety of internal consistency measure that can be used. उसके बाद आता है जी पुटर रिचर्ड रिलायबिलिटी. अब ये इसने क्या कहा? The estimate of internal consistency of the test are commonly calculated by using Porter-Richard method. The measurement of extent to which item with the form of the test and must be commonly arises and from the comparative items to the strength, the reliability depending upon which the entire depending single consistency measure of concept. अगला हमारे पास आता है जी facts affecting reliability. अब ये क्या होता है जी? Reliability of the test is an important characteristic and we use the test reliability for a further decision of about the student educational advancement for the job selection and may more the methods to assure the reliability of the test have been discussed. May example have been provided in order to in-depth understanding of the concept. Here we shall focus upon the different factors may affect the reliability of the test. The degree of the affect the each factor varies from the situation to situation. Controlled effects may improve the reliability and otherwise it may be lower the consistency of production of scores. Sometimes of the facts that directly or indirectly affect these reliability are given as under. अच्छा जी अगला जी है हमारे पास ये टेस्ट लेंथ की. एज अ रूल एडेड more homogeneous question to test will increase the test reliability. उसके बारे में हमारे method of using the method of using to estimate reliability. ये क्या है? The reliability coefficient is an estimated that change depending upon the method used to calculate the estimate of reliability. Should it be weight in which the test will be used. Heterogeneity of scores. Heterogeneity of scores. Heterogeneity is referred as a difference among the scores obtained from class. You may say that there are some students who got higher scores and some are whom get lower scores or intelligence scores. Who got higher scores and other got lower scores, or the difference could be due to any reason, maybe income level, intelligence of the students, parents, quality, etc. Whatever it is the reason for the validity or the source, the greater validity range of the test scores, the higher the reliability. Increase the heterogeneity of the examined sample, increase validity, individual difference. Thus reliability increases. Students, now we're going towards difficulty. Difficulty, a test that is too difficult or too easy reduce the reliability. A few tests taken get the answer correctly of the vice versa. A moderate level of difficulty increase test reliability. Then we see earlier errors that can be increase or decrease individual scores. There might be some errors committed by the test development that also affected the reliability of the test development by the teacher. A careful consideration of the facts may be help measure true ability of the students. So मैम एग्जांपल हमें कोई डी हम जैसे एक पढ़ लेते हैं. The test scores marking of the test is another factor towards the validation in the scores of the student. Normally there are many ratings to the rate of the students responsibility answering to the test. The objective type test items, the making rubbish of the essay, the supply type test items help to get a constant scores. उसके बाद हम स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ते हैं इंश्योरिंग द रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ द टेस्ट. ये क्या होता है, जैसे आप अपनी स्लाइड्स में देख रहे हैं. द मोस्ट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड वे टू इम्प्रूव आर टेस्ट रिलायबिलिटी नंबर 1, जैसे इसे एक फर्स्ट दिया हुआ है, ये है calculate the item test correlation and rewrite or reject that are too lower as item that does not correlated with the total test or at least point beside r is equal to 0.25 should be reconsidered. और सेकेंड पे दिया हुआ है look at the items that did not correlated well and write down like this. The longer the test, the higher the reliability will be. अच्छा स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम चलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ. ये है यूजिबिलिटी ऑफ एन असेसमेंट टेस्ट, यानी कि यूजिबिलिटी ऑफ एन असेसमेंट टेस्ट. अब ये क्या होता है, अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर्स ऑफ द गुड असेसमेंट टूल क्लास टेस्ट इज द यूजिबिलिटी. Classroom teachers are well familiar with the issue related to the usability, particularly of the test, but need to think of the how the practical matters related to the usability refers to the extent to which the test used to study and teachers achieve specific goals in effective manner in a referred factors available to test develop regarding both administrative and scores procedures and factors that administration scores development to possibility of the given test reliability called acceptable condition. For example, suppose the terms extreme decision on the given and the comprehend test to the large account to the in this case the development should be made during the facilities such as equipment and suitable room available. Otherwise the no matter the reliability and validity test may be not be practical. इसमें ये बताया. आगे वो हमें इसमें ट्रांसिबिलिटी के बारे में बता रहे हैं. अब ट्रांसिबिलिटी क्या होती है, the simple word traceability is the process which requires from a teacher to maintain objectivity and honestly the development administration marking the report test result. The traceability refer to the availability of the clear accurate information to study about testing, such as the information about should be include out to be evaluated from the use weighting of item and session time along complete the test and grading the criteria transparency making students part of the test process. Not one could double any aspects of the test process. It also requires setting rules and keep recording of the testing process. उसके स्टूडेंट्स हमारा आ जाता है अगला सिक्योरिटी. मोस्ट टीचर्स feel that security is the issue only in the large scale high scale testing. However, the security is a part of the both the reliability and validity. If a teacher invests time and energy in the development good teacher that accurately reflect the course outside, then it is described to able to recycle the test or similar material. This is essentially important in analyzing should that the item discretes and test session are valid and discriminated in some parts of the world. Culture attitude towards collaboration test taken are the threat to the test security and thus the reliability and validity. As a result, there is a trade of best letter teach into the public domain and giving the student adequate information about the test. अब हम जानते चलते हैं समरी की तरफ. अब समरी क्या है? दिस यूनिट deals with the reliability and usability of the good test. First concept were defined and then the methodology estimated and assessment to the reliability of the factors affecting that discuss the deal. Finally, the concept parallel with the explanation the procedures for the test constructing to many trust. However, regardless the complexity of the task is determined by the reliability and usability of the test. These concepts are essential parts of the test construction. It means that the order to have a acceptable and applicable test upon the reasonable second decision can be made. Test development should be go through planning, preparing, reviewing and pretending process. Without determining these parameters, nobody is ethical allowed to use for the particular purpose. Otherwise, the test use boards make an inexcusable mistakes, unreasonable decision and unreasonable appraisals. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा ये टॉपिक यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो जाता है. रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ द असेसमेंट ऑफ टूल्स, और हमारी बुक का नाम था एजुकेशन असेसमेंट एंड एवेल्युएशन, और हमारा कोर्स कोड है 8600. उम्मीद है आपको टॉपिक समझ आया होगा. बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू योर एग्जाम. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
दोस्तों, आप मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें जिसका नाम है सफ़ी ख़ान के नाम से, और मेरा ट्विटर हैंडल जो है इसे आप फॉलो करें जो है सफ़ी ख़ान मैजिकल के नाम से. इसके अलावा जो मेरा फेसबुक है इसमें आप मुझे फ़ॉलो कर सकते हैं सफ़ी ख़ान बॉस के नाम से, और इसके अलावा जो मेरा इंस्टाग्राम का पेज है वो है सफ़ी ख़ान बॉस के नाम से. इसमें आप मेरी पिक्चर्स वगैरह को भी देख सकते हैं. इसके अलावा आपको मैं इस वक्त जो दिखा रहा हूँ ये यूट्यूब का मेरा पेज है. अगर आपने मुझे सब्सक्राइब करना है और आपने अब जब देखना है आपने मेरी पिक्चर्स आपने मेरी वीडियोस को लाइक करना है और इसे सब्सक्राइब करना है और प्रेस बेल आइकॉन का ज़रूर दबाना है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.